Hi everyone, today is a good day. Why? I'm here with the car and the trailer and we're at Centro RC Levante because I'm picking up my brand new Pilot RC Slick, the very first one in Spain, possibly even in Europe, at least at the time of filming. So let's have a look at the shop and get straight into unboxing my brand new Slick. Shouldn't that say Martins? And this is what we're here for. The new Pilot RC Slick. Let's get her opened up and see what she looks like. Moment of truth. Pilot RC make really good boxes as well as airplanes. Now that is bright. Due to this plane only being finished literally minutes before it had to leave the factory to get on the boat and included in the container, there were a couple of things that weren't quite finished. So I am going to have to do a little bit extra work, more than you would do normally, such as gluing the hinges or painting the spinner or landing gear. But I think that's a price worth to pay in order to have one of the very first slicks and be able to test it and see exactly how much fun we can have. And it looks even better in person than it did on the website. The colours are so bright, it's going to be an absolute star in the sky. And better still, as always happens with new planes, we have new improvements. This one now has the quick release and quick attaching system for the wings. The carbon fibre work is obviously massively improved upon previous versions. We have really super clean cuts that aren't sharp and no furry bits. The front of the firewall, the top half now comes pre-installed, so we just have a small box that we can screw in, so no more gluing, no more attaching. The back of the firewall's carbon as well now, so that's a really strong lump no matter what engine we're going to use. And then we have, of course, the quick release system on the tail as well, and on that lovely blue, which isn't going to be a problem with the blue skies, I think, because it's so bright. It may not come across on camera, but this is absolutely spectacular. Anyway, that's it for this video. It's just a quick teaser. I'm going to be getting to build this plane now and can't wait to have it finished and see what it looks like in the air. So if you want to see that, subscribe to the channel, like this video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. I'm Martin Pickering, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this one. Subscribing is always free, and just means that YouTube shows you my latest videos once uploaded and you won't miss out. So hit that subscribe button now. While at it, why not check out my super cool new lineup of t-shirt designs like this one, all available in my online merch store with worldwide shipping. With several designs and colours to choose between, I'm sure that you'll love at least one of them. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.